Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching TechMade Beauty, and today we're going to see how to create a border for cells. So for an example, if you're selecting a 10 cell, you can just create a 10 cell border by using this option on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create a cell border shell, I just going to show in this video. For an example, I just going to have a value like 35 and 50 and 60. Okay, so now I just going to make some values for here like this. Okay, so let's assume this data 1 and just picture, and it's going to up to data 3. Okay, so I just need to have a border for cell borders for this. So select the cell first. Okay, now you are in the home section. In the home section, you can find this option near the strike through. Okay, it's called border. Click on this drop menu, and here you can see a lot of options here, but you just need to select all borders. Okay, just click on the all borders, which will create a darker line to the cells that you selected. For an example, I just need to select create a border for only for the first 3 section. So you can just turn off this borders by no border option. So you can see I just want to create this border for this, going to all borders. You can see it's selected. You can see this is how you just create a border. So you can just select any cell and click on the all borders, which will create a cell borders for your cells on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped you. Not like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMade Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.